we'll guide you through how to convert PDF notes to Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, opening your browser and giving it a moment to load. Then go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Click the search bar so you can type inside it. Then type Notion and press Enter on your keyboard to move to the results. When the results finish loading, look for the first option that appears and click it to open the Notion website. Once the site loads, log in or sign into your account so you can access your workspace. After you successfully log in, go to the Private section on the left sidebar. Inside this section, press the plus button on the right side to create a new page. A blank page will appear, and you can start working inside it. Move to the main area of the page and type /embed to bring up the embed command. When the small menu appears, choose Embed by selecting it. A smaller menu will then appear with two options. One option is Link, which lets you attach a PDF using a link, and the other option is Upload, which lets you upload your PDF directly from your files. Select Upload by left-clicking on it so the file picker can open. After you press Upload, click Choose File to move forward. A small file window will appear, and you can use it to look through your folders and find the PDF file that you want to convert into Notion. When you find your PDF, click it once, and then press Open so the file starts uploading into your Notion page. Wait a moment while the file uploads, and after it finishes, it will appear inside your new page. Once the PDF shows up, you can resize it by dragging the corners until it looks the way you want. This helps the PDF fit your style and gives you a clean view inside the page. After adjusting the size, your PDF is now fully converted into Notion, and you can interact with it directly. You can scroll through the pages, zoom in, zoom out, and view your notes clearly without leaving Notion. This makes it easier to read, organize, and keep your study materials in one place.